In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a BMW X6. This is the E71 version, produced from 2008 through 2014. Used this rectangular key fob for the BMW X6. And what I'm going to show you is how to replace the Comfort Access version of this key fob. So you see this other key over here. If you look at the front, it looks very similar, but if you flip over, you can see there's no outline here, kind of in the top half of the key fob in the back here. So this is a non-Comfort Access version, so I'll show you how to replace that in another video. But if you have a Comfort Access key, the Comfort Access is what allows you to unlock the car while keeping the fob in your pocket or in your backpack. So that way you don't have to actually physically touch the button to unlock it. You can just grab the door handle. So to change the battery in this, in your X6, remove the valet key like so, and this will give you access to a slot here in the back. So if you look in the middle of the key right there, go ahead and take a small flathead screwdriver. You can use maybe like a little piece of nail clippers, kind of whatever will give you a little access into this slot right here, and just kind of pry this back off, and this will pop right off and give you access to the internal replaceable battery, which is a CR2032 2032 watch battery. So go ahead and pop that out, and when you put in a new one, just make sure that the text is facing you. The positive side is up like this, and then just pop in this backing, and that'll pop right back in, and you're all set to go. So that's how you replace the battery for your BMW X6 2008 to 2014 version with the Comfort Access key fob.